Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show to you the way how to know someone who viewed your profile on TikTok account. So the first thing you have to do, open your TikTok application, and whenever you open the TikTok application, you sometimes will be bring in the home section. To know someone who viewed our profile, you need to jump into our profile over here. And after that, you need to take a look on this upper sections here. There will be like several tools or several buttons that we can click, and you need to click this part. So this is who's someone that view your profile. So that's the way how to know someone who visit your profile lately. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, and don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel if you find out this tutorial today is very good useful. Well, so see you for the next tutorial.